Hold on to your hats, folks. The market just got a serious after-hours jolt. President Trump dropped a tariff bombshell, slapping a 10% tariff on all imports. That's right, 10% across the board. But wait, there's more. China, 34%. Japan, 24%. The EU, 20%. Ouch. This trade war just got real and the market's reeling. After-hours trading saw the QQQ plummet nearly 4%. The SPY took a 3% nosedive. This is not a drill. This aggressive move sent shockwaves through global markets. Investors are scrambling, unsure of what's next. One thing's for sure, volatility is back with a vengeance. We're in for a wild ride, folks. Buckle up. Here's the kicker. Before Trump's announcement, the market was cruising. The Nasdaq, S&P 500, and Dow Jones all closed higher. It was a sea of green, with investors riding high on optimism. Little did they know, a storm was brewing. This disconnect between regular trading and after-hours chaos speaks volumes. It highlights the unexpected nature of Trump's announcement. The market clearly wasn't prepared for such a drastic move. This surprise factor amplified the negative reaction, leading to panic selling after the bell. The market loves certainty. Trump's tariffs inject uncertainty into everything. This makes investors nervous. They sell, driving prices down. We need to watch this closely. Now let's dive into the technicals. The QQQ, our tech-heavy ETF, closed above its double exponential moving average. Bullish, right? Not so fast. It faced resistance at the 20-day and 50-day moving averages. Even more telling, the 200-day moving average, a key long-term indicator, painted a bearish picture. The SPY, tracking the S&P 500, told a similar story. It closed above its DEMA and 20-day moving average, suggesting short-term strength. But the 50-day and 200-day moving average loomed above, acting as major resistance levels. The market was sending mixed signals, folks. Trouble was brewing beneath the surface. Section 4. Navigating the DEMA short-term momentum versus long-term uncertainty. The DEMA is a powerful tool. It's more sensitive to recent price changes than traditional moving averages. This makes it great for spotting shifts in momentum. However, it's crucial to remember that even the DEMA can't predict black swan events like Trump's tariffs. The DEMA's responsiveness is key here. If after-hours prices hold, expect the DEMA to turn downward. This will be an early bearish signal, confirming the negative sentiment. Traders need to watch the DEMA closely in the coming days. It will be a crucial indicator of market direction. Section 5. Candlestick patterns, mixed signals, and heightened volatility. Candlestick patterns can offer valuable insights into market sentiment. The QQQ's daily chart showed a bullish belt hold, suggesting a potential reversal. However, the weekly chart formed a bearish thrusting pattern, hinting at further downside. Conflicting signals, folks. The SPY painted a slightly more optimistic picture. Its weekly chart showed a piercing pattern and a long line candle, both considered bullish signs. But remember the bigger picture. The market was already showing signs of weakness before Trump's announcement. These bullish patterns might simply be a temporary reprieve. Section 6. Preparing for the storm, key takeaways and trading strategies. Here's the bottom line. Trump's tariffs have injected massive uncertainty into the market. Technical indicators were already flashing warning signs. Now, with this news, we're likely in for a period of heightened volatility. So, what should traders do? First, don't panic. Second, stay informed. Keep a close eye on those key support levels. $553.68 for the SPY and $457.33 for the QQQ. A break below these levels could trigger further selling. Third, pay attention to the DEMA. It's expected to turn bearish, confirming the negative sentiment. And finally, remember that volatility cuts both ways. While there's potential for significant downside, sharp rallies are also possible. This is a trader's market, folks. Stay nimble, manage your risk, and don't be afraid to take profits when you have them. Remember, the market thrives on information. Stay informed, stay disciplined, and you'll weather this storm.